Yo, Trenton, what's up, man? Oh, dude, are you okay?
I'm on a low, man.
How low?
A low of 34.
Oh, dude, that stings. My spirits are always high, so maybe I can help.
How high?
A high of 41. I know, it's okay, buddy. I know. Can I have a cookie?
No!
Alright, cool, I'll see you later. Trenton! I have another cookie.
Cookie.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this.